Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How to translate texts with ChatGPT better than Google. So first of all, we will open the Safari browser, and this is the UNESCO website, which is in Chinese. So example, we will just have to copy it a little paragraph and copy, and we will go and just find the ChatGPT and make sure you will have downloaded it or logged in. After, before we just paste, we will just write translate in English and just simply paste it. After, give them command to translate in English and just tap for go, and here is the result. As you can see, so it's faster than Google. So in this way you will just have to translate texts with chat gpt. Thank you.